Hi everyone, welcome to this video on creating a home office or study space. With more and more people working and studying from home, it's important to have a dedicated space for these activities. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to create a functional and stylish home office or study space. Tip number 1. Choose the right location. When creating a home office or study space, it's important to choose the right location. Consider a quiet and well-lit area that is separate from the main living areas in your home. Tip number 2. Invest in a good desk and chair. A good desk and chair are essential for a functional and comfortable home office or study space. Consider investing in ergonomic furniture that will provide proper support and comfort during extended periods of work or study. Tip number 3. Add plenty of storage. Having plenty of storage is important for keeping your home office or study space organized and clutter-free. Consider adding shelving units, file cabinets, or storage baskets to keep your supplies and materials easily accessible. Tip number 4. Incorporate inspiring decor. Adding inspiring decor, such as artwork or motivational quotes, can help keep you motivated and focused while working or studying in your home office or study space. Tip number 5. Make it personal. Making your home office or study space personal to you is important for creating a space that you enjoy spending time in. Consider adding personal touches, such as photos or items that hold sentimental value, to make the space feel like your own. I hope these tips have helped you in creating a functional and stylish home office or study space. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, you can create a space that is not only functional but also a joy to spend time in. Thank you for watching.